Hello, good afternoon, everyone. By the way, I am Isabel, and I've been with Popo for about 2 years already. Pero, nag-stop ako dati kasi hindi ko maintindihan ang rules and paano kumita dito kay Popo. Recently lang ako bumalik, and yes, I am thankful for Popo dahil nagkaroon ako ng kahit konti, may extra income din. And today is Popo's 5th year anniversary. So let's sing happy birthday, Popo. Happy birthday, Popo. Happy birthday, Popo. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. And yes, thankful ako kay Popo because I was able to meet new friends. And yun nga, sabi ko, extra income talaga siya for us na nasa bahay lang. And I wish na, Popo will be forever. No? Para stable yung magiging ating mga side income, extra income. So, that's all. Thank you. Bye!